How to add PayPal to Apple Pay. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your settings of a device and then move into Apple ID banner. Inside Apple ID, head over to Payment and Shipping. Enter the password of your account and then click on Sign In at the top right corner. It will redirect you to this page. In this page, you will be able to add different payment method. The option of PayPal is visible to you. Click on it. And then simply click on Login to PayPal. Wait for a while for it to load. You'll be landing on this interface. Enter the login credential of your PayPal account. Once you have entered, click on Sign In. And then you will be successfully signed in to your PayPal account. Once you have been signed in, the PayPal will be added to your Apple Pay. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial today on how to add PayPal to Apple Pay. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. And thank you for watching it till the end.